Here I got another AliExpress package. I have the label facing the ground. These I don't want to show you. I can't take it off. It's stupid fucking plastic bag. They just use stickers all the fucking time. You should use like tape or something, or cardboard. I hate these bags. So let's open it up. Another label. Doesn't say my address, but I wanted to show you other people's address. I mean, if you see it, it's probably just a manufacturing like plant or something, or a shop. I probably could show that, but I still want to show you my address. Anyways, I got looks like a genuine product from like Japan or something. It's not like cheap at all. It's Lenovo thing plus earbuds. I'm gonna test them and stuff. I only paid $1 for them. It's pretty authentically sealed. Get this stupid plastic thing off. Alright. I'll bite onto it. It's starting to come off. Oh my fucking god. What is this plastic wrap thing? There we go. Should have got my pocket knife. So, very nice. I already said it's gonna take a while. Gotta test out the sound quality. It looks really cheap. Like, I don't care if these. I only paid $1 for this. And the reeds are probably just bots. If it sounds good, then it's probably genuine. I'm not like actually sure because I'm really skeptical about the package. Just gotta look deeper into this thing. The case feels really hefty. Oh yeah, it's genuine. It looks really Nice. If it sounds good, then it's probably good. It really feels premium. But it looks like it's from Japan. Just gotta test it all out though. I'll let you know if it sounds good. After trying to listen to them, they sound like shit. Like, they really lack low end and they lack high end as well. It's like all mids. Like, the bass is really not there. Plus, they barely fit my ears. Like, it's fucking that horrendous. These look like they're a counterfeit product. The earbuds themselves look like Five Below headphones. And this probably just printed a Lenovo logo on it. Like, it's really inauthentic. The cable looks cheap. Like, it has no branding on it. Like, I doubt it's like an actual Lenovo product. Like, I'm sure it's gonna break soon. It's very flimsy. Just look at the quality. Does that look like Lenovo to you? Probably not. Yeah, these are just generic Chinese earbuds. I believe the language is Chinese. No way it's Japan. It's just fucking Chinese shit. Like, I'm an English person, so I don't know much about stuff like that. It's just, look, you won't see this in a authentic Lenovo product. Like, it's just fucking stupid. Just gonna break this. Ugh. Look at that. It's a generic. Bad reviews. Poor quality. You will not see a plastic like package like this. This is skeptical. I'm destroying these. Like, let's go on Lenovo's site. You will not see their authentic products on there. Stuff like this on there. You won't see stuff like this on there at all. Like, you won't see a serial number or shit like that. When I destroy these, it's good accessories, sport accessories, audio. Look, there's nothing like this on the site. This is all T31 results. Look. This is fucking ridiculous. They make headphones and speakers mainly designed for conference calls and stuff, but earbuds, no. These are shitty ass earbuds. Plus, I also looked at YouTube videos about these. Looks very Chinese quality videos. Look at that. They look so cheap. I believe these comments are skeptical. Chinese skeptical people. I'm not trying to be mean, but so many like strangers are buying these. Just look at the skeptical image. Yeah. Enough is enough. Just look at the quality. This does not look authentic at all. These do not fit my ears. It's just cheap rubber. I am going to destroy these. So, stay tuned.